The respiratory areas are composed of groups of neurons in the brain stem. These areas initiate impulses that are conducted on the cranial and spinal nerves to breathing muscles, causing inspiration and expiration. The respiratory areas adjust the rate and depth of breathing to meet cellular requirements for supply of oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide, even during intense physical movement or other sources of distress. The parts of the respiratory areas are widely scattered throughout the pons and medulla oblongata. However, there are two parts that are especially specific. These include the respiratory center of the medulla and the respiratory group of the pons. The medullary respiratory center includes two bilateral groups of neurons that extend throughout the length of the medulla oblongata. They are also termed the ventral respiratory group and the dorsal respiratory group. The dorsal group integrates sensory information pertaining to the respiratory system and modifies the activity of the ventral group. This allows changes in respiratory rate and depth in response to needs. The dorsal respiratory group primarily affects respiration directly by stimulating the diaphragm. Neurons in other parts of the brainstem, the pons, form the bilateral pontine respiratory groups. They may contribute to the rhythm of breathing by limiting inspiration. Current evidence from research suggests that the basic rhythm of breathing arises from the ventral respiratory group. One group of neurons initiates inspiration by stimulating the inspiratory muscles. The second group inhibits inspiration. Then, as the inspiratory muscles relax, elastic recoil of the lungs causes expiration.